right, good morning. We're back in it. It's about 7:41 my time. We left off working on the these transitions. I was kind of mindlessly making two separate ones. I had ones for the bounds, and then I had one for transition area. Ultimately, I combined these because I realized they're basically the same thing. They just have different states. So one will be activated on leaving, the other will be activated on enter. So I'm actually going to go ahead and delete the bound script. I think this guy, this transition area, I'm going to throw up in my utility because that's something I can use in every project pretty easily. So we have that. And let's see, is this looking clean? Looking good. Let me see where I left off. I think we had these working. It's not exactly the behavior that I want, but let's see. I think we left off with transitions working, but we don't have any kind of transition effects. Right? It's just a simple cut. Which honestly is fine for this stage of the game. By the way, if you're new to this series, this is not a tutorial. It's not a how-to. It's this is mainly for me to document the process of making a game, and you're welcome to follow along. But I'm not going to be explaining everything I do. And yeah, that's kind of where we are. I know my menu was broken. I'm gonna have to look at that. Let's see. So I press O. The menu's not showing. Let's take a look at why that would happen. Well, I see the field GUI is turned off. Let's take a look at that. I think we need to have that on. I changed how we use it. Let's try it again. No, it's still not showing. No, it hit again. Let's see. Does it do it again? What? May not hide. Here we go. It's because we're toggling that. It's because I switched up how we handle this. Oh wait, we don't have the text box on this anymore. But that's fine, we'll keep it that way. It should work now. Yeah. I can't exit out of it by pressing the menu button. Let's take a look at that. I think, does my menu handle that? No. Menus? Oh, I got rid of that functionality. Oh, we have to add another. There we go. It's still not working. I think I know why. There we go. That's why it was pausing, and so we were losing input checks on that. There we go. Works in here. Beautiful. The shop could be fun to make. I definitely need to work on my text box. I think I want it to, when we move, I want that to leave the hide. Probably just do it. Are we connected to the player? We are, or we were. And Yeah, so I already had that. Let's see if that still works. I think I commented that out. Yeah. Well, I know I had commented it out, but I guess I wanted to try it with it staying, but that makes more sense. Let's also get a different... I need to get different music in the town. I'll do that off stream. Field GUI's in good shape. The town, it's roughed in. Do I want to make the shop? Do I wanna? For this, I might just borrow from an existing game. So we have a scroll container. We have an H box. These are V boxes in the scroll container. It might even be a grid container setup. I'd probably just use V boxes. This would be an H box. You have these as separate labels. But I don't really want the game to look like an existing game too much. Just see what that looks like. I'm not really a fan of Dragon Quest menus. But I'm pretty picky with menus. Maybe we'll worry about the shop another time. I need to grab my coffee. I'll be right back. 10 seconds. Okay. Alright, so we did that. These can all be up here. That's fine. Excuse me. We'll go back instead. That's kind of self-explanatory. Town's just as menus. It's just an idea I had to combine. Okay, I think we already did that. That's cool. Okay. Maybe make a cave. I could make a basic shop just to get something in place. For that, probably do this. Just put it on its own canvas layer. Call it shop. Save that. I guess I don't really care what it looks like, and I am going to copy that format. Back out. So the intro text, name. I'll duplicate this. I need a V box to keep it organized. UI is basically just like layered controls. Oh, I messed that up. What did I miss? This needs to be on that. And then let me get rid of that. Oops. So this guy, like that. Just for now. I want to increase these margins anyway. I should make an alternate. This is so half-assed. I need to do the type variation. Yeah. Let's see if I can do that now, because I keep doing this. Set that up. Oh. But how do I make this for March? Oh, do I just manually type them? Let's try it. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna remove these. It's not showing up. I have to save that. Do I have to load it manually? No, that's not working. I don't think I did that right. Oh. I don't. Oh, whoops. Whatever. We'll just go back to how we had this. Is that what I had? Seems better. Okay. Where's that thing? For stretch ratio, I just had it on the other one. I was on the wrong part. Something like that. So this will be items. Be probably like right. I'm gonna want a description window. I think I made that a scene, yeah. That's just the script. Shoot, I mean. Yeah, let's go ahead and copy that. So in that V box, we had this. Not sure why it's being clipped. Might have the minimum size set wrong. No. Do this. There we go. All right. It's kind of the rough idea. I don't know why. I just always I feel like this is the cleanest one. I guess I don't care enough to make something different right now. So I have money, stock, equipped. It's going to be a V box in here. It's going to be a set of labels. I want this V box to expand. I guess it doesn't have room. That's okay. So we have funds. We have stock. And then equipped. I have to split those up so that they're aligned properly. Let me make this a scroll container. So maybe put that up there, put that whole thing in there. Maybe I should just make a bunch of these. Take it to I'll probably just create and destroy the shop as we open it, so I can do this in ready. So we're going to need to get a reference to items, which how do we want to handle that? Holy crap, that's a freaking path right there. So if I run this, we want to see focus grabbed onto the top button. It's broken. We never assigned that the script. Let me just do utility menu. Never set the buttons container. It's fine. Now I could put items up there. No, I'm fine with that. Oh, we have the wrap turned on. So for this particular menu, I think I'll turn that off. So if we run it again, we shouldn't wrap around. Yeah. I'm not sure why it's clipping it like that. We can always worry about that later. Oh, I made item buttons. I don't think they're doing anything particular. Menu items. I could probably repurpose this for the shop inventory. We just have to supply the inventory that we need. Let's try this. Well, the inventory would have to be a resource. I don't think works with my current code. Let me just do it like this. Or no. Do I even need the inventory? Yeah, we do. Change that to that. Oh, index is already in it. Just so long. I don't like that. Try to avoid abbreviations. Since it's so long, I'm going to move this down. Let me just swap this out. And so now it's reusable. And I just have to put that menu item script on our shop. We're going to give it 0. This container will be self, that's fine. And so now it should load that inventory that we just made. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. This left aligned. There we go. It looks like a menu. Now that we have these values, I think we only need that in the shop menu. So what I want to do is probably just connect that up and let the shop script handle that. I think I'm okay with that. Activated. That's just for the menu. Yeah, we'll probably just echo that signal up. And send that up to the shop. And for item in we want to put the values into this VBox, which we'll put like, we can expand this. No, we need to do get items dot. So this. I need indexing. Cost. Oh, that's gonna break. If we were running the shop. This actually needs to be for we could do it in items values. No, if change that, keep it consistent. I'm anal like that. Okay, so we just change this to... else we do like cost equals let's try redoing that. I think it's updating before this is already. Kind of inefficient because we're doing that twice, but it's so insignificant. Cost equals. Oh, these shouldn't be buttons. That's the problem. I think I can batch rename these. Yeah. They just have no need for the button functionality. Okay. Well, looks like that works. I could just delete those buttons or hide them. But we can worry about that later. That's pretty. So we need button focused. Why is this not going? There we go. And we need button pressed. So on here, So we can throw that down here. That's fine. Is that wrong? Outside of property. Oh, it's called set text. That's why we type everything. It makes that debugging so much easier. Let's see if this is what's going on here. Alright, so item's not coming back. So we have button.text. I think it needs to be what, 2 lower? Let me just look at how I do it up here. Get it index. Item index. Oh, right. I can use the index. That's right. Okay, let's just copy that code. Just get rid of that. I think I can actually improve this by using that. Just do that. Oh, that's why. So we can update stock and equipped. Should probably export these. That's all right. Stock, we need to loop through the inventory. So if oh, oh, it's the wrong inventory. We want to use always the player inventory. Yeah, so I mean, these, I might as well fix these now. Duplicate that. We're going to delete. We don't need to be running. We need to update those paths. Let's try this with an export. Perfect. Now the funds, I'm going to make a money label. Probably put this in utility. Back to the shop. We have to update the name of that. No, the money label. Wonder if they should just hold, like, if the menu item should not just do this. That's super. Not found on base menu. Oh, because it's still capital. Cleans this up a bit. Do we need the... I don't think I need that inventory anymore. Don't need to do that anymore. I guess we can send this up. That's all right. Just need to if so current item needs to get set. Looks like it's not happening on the first focus there. It's working on that. Okay, now it's working. It's like these. I don't know what's going on there. Sorry, this actually needs to be unfocused. That's the problem right there. That's weird. These are inverted or something. Oh, because yeah, we have to actually do this first. Let's try it. Stock's not updating because we're not changing that yet, and also the money. It looks like we never called. There. Getting there. Now we want to update the stock. So we need to add the item to the inventory. We take the money. Right, we get the item. It's going to be data inventory add by item. Just do current item. And we need to make sure we update this stuff. So I might make a separate function for that. It's just going to be that. Well, no, I think that'll be the default. So we're going to take this. I think that. That'll break if there's no item, though. Sorry, it's a little fragile, but fuck it. I mean, frigate? I'm gonna roll with it. if it works, cool. And I can go and get like a get some sound effects and coin jingles. It's like I've used this sound a million times, and actually, I think I usually put it on the money label. And let's see if we have it. Sounds. No, so it's gonna put it in utility anyway. And we'll give that. So if I want to turn it off, we can do that. Clean this up a bit, and now our money sound should play. We don't want it to happen the first time, though. Just do that for now. My feet are cold. I'll be right back. I'm just grabbing some socks. So that's pretty much the shop, at least the buying component of it. Later on, we'll probably want to add like stat updates, showing those in real time. We could show them in between the description window and the main bar there. But I do like this layout. It's simple but effective. We need dun, 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 dun. So for shopkeepers, they probably extend the NPC, which these are not all shops, but they're just named shops for now. This will be a shop. And so we'll extend, or do I need to change the, no, that's fine, we'll just extend it. So it'll be like, shop. And you can see that here. We're going to give them another export, and it's going to be inventory index equals, I think 0. It has to, we don't want it to be the players. And they'll basically just pass that down to the shop when they instance it. And so we'll make that a constant. Just be shop. Does shop have an inventory index? I don't remember. Oh, we don't give it a class. Let's do that. It does not have an inventory index. Where are we getting that? We're putting it on the... Oh, okay. Yeah, we can't do it like that. So this items menu... I'm thinking inventory index. Maybe override it before. No. It had to be in ready, and this ready's not going to get called until that's ready. So yeah, I think we just don't use that. True by default. Yeah, I don't even need that. So now the shop, send that down. So okay, so there's 0. I'm going to test it by having different ones. Maybe this one just has baseball cap. So really the way to test it would be making that one. We're going to run the game. We're going to go... I have to actually put this in the tree. I think it can go anywhere because it's a canvas layer. And then the shop just needs a way to exit. We can worry about that part later. Okay, so we're not calling the code to actually open that shop. We can try that, and then the player can just do a class check. Just target dot open shop. I doubt that'll work because I didn't define that. Yeah, it's already breaking. Yeah, as I didn't define it before runtime. We can try again. There you have it. So we do need this to function like our other GUIs in that it pauses the tree, doesn't pause itself. And then like you know something like that. We definitely want to populate that before. Let's see if we don't need that anymore. Just going to do a quick fix. Exiting, it's not closing. We need to make sure we're closing out. So cleared. I'm going to connect that. Actually, we just do queue free for now. Oh, oops. I think that works. We'll probably want to animate that later, but it's pretty clear what that's doing for now. Beautiful. So we can go here, we can buy items. We can exit out of the menu. So let's play this. Just do it one more time. Yeah, I mean, we have a relatively functioning game. Battle's not working now because, let's see, what did I do? So we were just throwing that onto the field GUI, which is previously one just kind of a generic canvas layer, so that's fine. We'll make a new one, or should the battle just be its own canvas layer? I'm down. Why not? Make scene root. Changes the battle. Why not, people? Who can? Oh, I'm gonna have to redo all of my effing connections, though. I think. No, those are just connected to themselves. It's all right. We will manage. That's not gonna be battle. We just have to go up here and change this mainly. And then I believe all of like these are not correct because that's going into battle. Just gonna send that up higher. Just to see that. So I have to find all of these, like enemies. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I didn't think that was connected before. What is... Oh, we're connecting that automatically. I might just do that manually. I don't think we need the focus. Yeah. Just get rid of that crap. Make sure we reconnect these. How come these are not working? What am I doing wrong? That's okay. I think I want to change that to... Might break some other code though. Anyway, let's check battle. Are all these connected? Enemies pressed. It needs to be button. I think we're in the clear. So battle is now on its own canvas layer. We can just do add child battle now. Let's see. I'd be surprised if we didn't break something. Yeah, this just needs to be battle now. Or just do canvas layer. Thank you. Oh, I have to update all of my paths. Yeah, that's fine. Just close main. That's the problem with having a canvas layer be the top, but it's not a huge deal. I feel like any cursor, all of these can probably go outside of main. No, let's undo that. Just these two. Keep that in. Also, the shop needs a menu cursor. Let's see if our other menus still work. Okay, so these are not loading properly anymore. This is not working. Is it? It's not frozen, it's just nothing's happening. The animations don't work either. I'm guessing in this case, these references probably broke. Yeah, so this let's just keep this in there. Yeah, okay. So I can exit. Restart. We want menus to clear. games can connect to that. I don't know why the music's not starting. Maybe it's because it's getting paused. We needed that to be. Let's see. We're in business. So I'm gonna, I think K is the kill all, and we just win. Looks like everything's cooking. Now these are still busted. I have to go and fix that. Field GUI. Let's see if it runs on its own. No, I think it's dependent on being open. So we could do if engine.is header. Or really, that's fine. I was going to do a ternary or something like it. That's weird. Okay, what's that? Oh, because that's not correct. The logic I want is, let's just do this. We're at the top. So that needs to be on main. Yep. Why is that not working? Are we getting here? I'm not calling that. We're focusing on those buttons, which is this just for the window? It's in the field GUI. The this menu is not getting signals going out or something. Yeah, these got. because we changed something. Where is it? What am I missing? These signals broke for some reason. Yeah, I know why. It's like what happened in the battle when we switched to a canvas layer. And then we need to do the same with player windows. Okay, should be back in business. New value is expected. Yes. Just cleaning this up. So we're not using that. That's fine. Moving is declared but not explicitly used. So we have to do. Right. Cool. That was just from Godot 3. And then this I tried. I hate this warning. But that should be the only one left. I got all the other ones. Okay, with a little integer division. Mouse will do. You never want to leave it not working if you can help it. Let's just get out of that. Let's see, does our looks like our HP is saving. That's cool. Oh. See if that saves that. I think it's giving us a different menu cursor when we go to battle, because that's overriding it. And then up. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. I'd like to fix this one last thing at least. All right, so we have menu cursor working there. Switches to this one. We exit. When I try to exit previously freed instance. Okay, so I think when battle exits, we're already calling that. So what's the freed instance? What? I think I know the game will run. Oh no, we can come back for that one. I'm ready for a break. I would do a recap, but I'm pretty wiped. I need some breakfast. Good luck with your game. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, any feedback is helpful. I will talk to you next time.